Hi, it's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Today I'm using a 6x6 canvas that I've already coated with black paint and a couple of drops of silicone. Actually it's the OGX hair serum. And the colors that I have in my 3-ounce cup are Folk Art School Bus Yellow, Craft Smart Mint Green, what's MT? Magic? No. Magic Touch.
The Magic Touch.
What is Magenta? I don't know what it is.
Master's Touch.
Oh, Master's Touch Light Magenta.
There you go.
Deco Art
Diazonine.
Huh?
Diazonine, something like that.
Diox, whatever. Purple. And Deco Art Prussian Blue. Prussian, right?
Russian, yeah, just like Russian with a P.
Yeah, that's what he told me. That's why I knew how to say it. All right, so this is just going to be hopefully an easy flip cup.
So what'd you do with the paint? Just layered in there, or?
Yeah, I just layered it in here. No silicone in the paint, just on what's on the canvas, and hopefully it'll come into something beautiful. Okay, here we go. Flip cup magic.
Letting it sit for quite a while.
I'm gonna let it sit for a few seconds, yeah. I don't know if I should put a hole in the top. What do you think? Oops.
What's that down on the floor? Looks like paint.
Oh, there's a thing I can use.
Thumbtack? You
Yeah.
can use it?
Well, I can put a hole in
Oh,
this.
sure.
I guess that was my
do it
signal
for you?
to. I'll do it. I guess that was my signal to put a hole in this since it fell.
It jumped right out of my...
Jumped right out of John's hand, so. Okay, here we go.
Probably about 3 or so, I would think. Get some air in there. Let that paint juice run down.
I'm just gonna let it rest for a few seconds. I'm trying to calm myself down. I always try just to rush through these things. And I know you guys, you know, have other things in your lives, so you don't want to spend too much time watching us, but I don't want to rush it and then do something lousy. So that's the scoop-de-doo on that. It's looking cool. Got lots of cells.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
You know, tape sticks to rubber gloves better than it sticks to anything else.
All right. I hate this part.
Which way are you going?
I guess this way.
You're gonna go like that?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Okay, well, good luck to you.
I had all those nice cells there.
Well, they're there. Just
Looks like a balloon.
they're there somewhere. Oh, there you go. There comes some cells.
Now, could you not do that while I'm doing this, please?
Oh.
It's shaking it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Looks like the colors for Mardi Gras.
Oh yeah, it's
Doesn't
like
it?
yellow and purple, I think, in there. Yellow, purple, Mardi Gras.
I don't know where all the cells went to.
What's that?
I said, I don't know where all the cells went to. They were there.
Pretty colors.
Let me try again.
There you go.
It's got some weird cells, but not too much to write home about. Interesting colors anyway. Let's see. I don't know if I want to try to blow it and see if there's anything. Try it just gently.
Yeah. You know what I'm not seeing? I'm not seeing any of the black blowing around. Probably, I'm thinking you have to disturb that black to get a cell up there. Didn't even know it was pink there.
Yeah, well, I did use pink.
I wonder if you put a couple drops of this on top, what happens?
Yeah, I'll do that in a second. Let me just...
Yeah, take your time. You know what I did?
Oh,
black.
now the secret comes
I
out.
put a lot of water in it. Put a lot of water in it.
Now I just used...
The oil, I put a lot of water and oil in it. I use a squirter.
He never lets me know the secrets. He always keeps the secrets from me.
Secret keeper. Or the gatekeeper, but I'm the secret keeper.
Oh, I got some of the pink showing up now, so it looks a little better, sort of. Okay, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put a few drops of the stuff in my hands and go see if it does anything.
In your hand? How are you going to get it in your hands?
In here, yeah. You just put it on the glove.
Why don't you just do it like that?
Huh?
Why don't you just do it like this, drop, drop?
What? On the thing?
No, on the thing.
No. You do it.
How are you going to get it in your hand?
Trust me. See it all?
Need some more?
No, I think that's enough.
You think it's enough?
Yeah. See it?
I do.
See all the cells?
I do. Right
There's
there.
tiny cells, but it's kind of cool. I guess I'll do this again to see.
Interesting.
Smells like coconut. Does.
Here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys, that's it for me today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends. Go on to eBay and check out our paintings on username johnhimm. And that's it. Thanks for watching. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying goodbye. Peace.